Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope everyone is fine. So in this video today we are going to implement two things. Number one, the access control lists, and number two, the static routing. Okay, so let us have a look. On the headquarter side I already have configured the IP addresses, VLANs and sub interfaces, but on the other network I didn't configure anything, but this is difficult without configuring the other side network. So this is the IP scheme I have implemented on the branch office. Okay, and this is the basically when we are talking about the static routes, so the syntax is network, destination network, subnet mask and the next hop. Fine. So these are all the networks. When you are looking at the planning document where I have written the NID, this is your destination network on branch on the headquarter, and these are the destination networks on the branch router. So on the branch side, on the headquarter side, we shall implement this routing. We shall copy all of this one, okay, and we shall go to the router. From the router 192, okay, here it will go here. Go to the command line. Once again the password has come. One thing more, see, this is very simple syntax. If you copy paste the things one by one, you will see a straightforward syntax over here as well. For example, I am going to configure the route on here. See, okay, this is my destination network. Copy, paste here, and this is the subnet mask dot I think 0, and the next hop is the next IP of the next interface, this one interface, serial 00 of branch office. So its IP address is 202.175.75.7.2. okay, and simply we shall add. I already have added them, therefore I am not going to add. Anyhow, what will be the command? The command is IP route, thereafter destination network, full network, not the first ID of the network, and second thing the subnet mask, and the last thing the next host, next hop. Okay, let us see what is going on here. What is our routing looks like. So sh IP sh running config first. See, this is the routing which you have defined. This is the exact copy of whatsoever you have seen in the PowerPoint. Now on this router I have not implemented, therefore I am going to implement on this one. Okay, there is no password because this is what you will have to configure. Now I am just copying this text, Control C, and then I am going to the router and then simply going to paste it here, and then Control Z, WR, sh running config. So this is your route. Fine. Now let us check the routing is working or not. We shall check it by sending a packet from here to here first. Okay, is it successful? Yes, it is successful. Let us try from here. It's working. Successful. Let us try from here to here. successful. Let us try from here to here and see what happens. I think there is some problem on this network. It should work by the way. Anyhow, it's not working. Let me see what's the problem. Okay, fine. So this is our routing. Let us try to do something from here. In the web browser we are going to type the address 172.4. What is the IP address of a web server? I don't remember it. This is 5.226. 172.16.5.226. There should be a response from this one. Fine. Okay, it's working. Just because of the, let's try from here. I doubt there is a problem with some network. 172.16.5.226. it's working. Okay, go to the other network. 172.5.226. yeah, it is a network. Anyhow, I need only 2 networks, so I did this one. I need these 2 networks. They are not working. Good, we got a problem for troubleshooting, but right now no. Inshallah later on. Let's see what's the problem and we shall find. On the 50% network it is not working. We shall troubleshoot it inshallah, and in the next slide we shall implement SEL and perform the troubleshooting of the existing network. I hope it will work inshallah. Fine. So I am going to remove these this one, because they are not working. They will confuse that later on. Let me check here. Okay, it's working. This is also working. Okay, this is also working. This is also working. So you can see now we can send packet from here to here. Even the routing problem can be in the routing. Okay, wherever the problem is, I'm not going to explore it anymore. Okay guys, leaving the troubleshooting for the next video. So inshallah in the next lab I am going to implement the access control list and the troubleshooting of existing network. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you very soon inshallah.